Hi, I'm Rick Overnick. I'm with Ray Chevrolet, and I'm super excited to be here today to show you our new Mobile Service Plus van. I'd like to take you on a quick tour inside. Why don't you come on in and I'll show you what we can do for you. Okay, and here we are on the inside of the van with all of our new state-of-the-art equipment. Love to take and show you some of it real quick. From the outside here, this is our oil changing unit here. This will take and do an oil change for you in your driveway, no mess. Great technology to have in your driveway to take and make sure that we do a good job for you. You've got the oil fill system, so we don't have bottles or anything like that we're bringing to and from your car. We just take and bring the reel out to your car, put it directly in, fill it up. You're good to go. So that's kind of nice that way. And that's probably our major service that we'll be doing for you while we're out seeing you in your driveway. But there's a lot more that we will be doing for you. Come on in. And inside here, as you can see, we've got here a Hunter tire machine. So we can replace your tires, do your tire repairs, and they also take and program and replace your TPMS sensors for your tire pressure monitoring system. After we're done taking and putting on the tires, we've got a full-fledged wheel balancer on board. So we're doing a complete job for you from our van. On board, we've got our battery tester, electronic battery tester, and then also this is what we'll use to hook up into your system to do the programming. We can do all the programming for your car, the recalls that GM may come out to take and do reprogramming for you. We can now do those out in your driveway or at your work. Wherever you need us to be, we can be there for you. Thanks a lot for taking the tour today. We appreciate you coming out and visiting us. If you want some more information, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number, 847-587-3300. My name is Rick. Ask for me. I'm at extension 1370. I'd love to take and go over what we can do for you, our pricing, and our specials that we have going on now for our mobile service truck here. And be sure to take and follow us on Facebook for more information about our van and what we can do. And as we go out to service people, we'll be in contact with you, showing you real live services and where we're at. Take care.